And so there is a call, there is a need for higher aspirations and higher goals and higher objectives. We need to raise this not just for ourselves, but out of concern for our families, out of concern for our communities, out of concern for the ummah, as a concern for humanity as a whole, as was laid out to us in the prophetic example, sallalahu alayhi, wasalam. And so the reasons we have to do that is because we are privileged. We are a people that are privileged, and Allah has honored us as human beings above everything else. Right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us, just for one instance, وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ. Allah tells us that He told the angels, and think about this, there you have a creation whose main purpose and objective is to worship and glorify Allah. That's what they do. And so then Allah creates a creation and tells this creation, the angels, who are actually better worshippers, better obeyers, better in their slavery to Allah, no, I want you to bow down to Adam and this creation of the human being. To show what? To show the honor of the human being. As Allah says, وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي Adam, that indeed we have honored Bani Adam. We have honored, we are above society, above everything, and not society, but above all creation. Allah has created us as the noblest of creations. Meaning that comes with the responsibility. That comes with a little bit of weight. That comes with not just laying low. That comes with reaching and seeking the highest.